Did you know that over 80% of people who use baking soda have no idea about its most powerful secrets? That's right, this everyday kitchen staple, which costs just pennies per dose, is quietly sitting in millions of homes, hiding its true potential. In fact, many experts call baking soda the most overlooked medicine on earth. Think about it. How many times have you reached for baking soda to bake a cake or freshen up your fridge, without ever wondering what else it could do for you? What if I told you that this simple white powder has a long history of surprising uses, some of which could completely change the way you look at your health? Why is it that so few people talk about the real power of baking soda? And what are we all missing out on? In this video, we're going to explore the incredible health benefits of baking soda that very few people know about. I'll also share the important precautions and reveal exactly who should be careful when using baking soda. You definitely don't want to miss this, especially if you care about your health and want to make informed choices. Before we dive into the health benefits of baking soda, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content. Your journey to better health starts here, and we're so excited to be part of it. Oh, and let us know where you're watching from by dropping your country in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. All right, let's get started. The amazing health benefits of baking soda. First, supports detoxification. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning or baking. It's often praised for its potential to support the body's natural detoxification processes. When dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, which means it can help neutralize acids both inside and outside the body. Many people use baking soda baths to soothe irritated skin, reduce itchiness, and calm minor rashes. The idea is that soaking in a baking soda solution helps draw out impurities, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and your body more balanced. While this is a popular home remedy, scientific evidence for detoxifying effects through the skin is still limited, but many users report noticeable relief and comfort. Internally, the story gets even more interesting. Some health enthusiasts believe that drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water can help alkalize the blood and urine, making it easier for the body to flush out toxins. There's some science to support this, especially for people with certain health conditions. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation helps slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. This suggests that, under medical supervision, baking soda can play a role in supporting the body's natural detoxification, especially for those who need help managing acid levels. However, it's important to remember that your body is already very skilled at keeping its pH in balance, and making big changes through diet alone is difficult. Overusing baking soda can lead to side effects, so moderation is key. Used wisely, baking soda can be a gentle, affordable way to support your body's natural detox efforts and help you feel more refreshed. Next, improves oral health and teeth whitening. Baking soda has earned its place in countless toothpastes and home remedies for a reason. It's a powerhouse when it comes to oral health and teeth whitening. If you've ever brushed your teeth with a little baking soda, you probably noticed how smooth and clean they felt afterward. That's because baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, effectively scrubbing away surface stains from coffee, tea, or other foods that can dull your smile. Unlike harsh whitening treatments, baking soda's mild texture helps polish teeth without causing significant damage when used properly. But the benefits go beyond just a brighter smile. Baking soda is alkaline, which means it helps neutralize acids in your mouth. This is important because acidic environments allow harmful bacteria to thrive, leading to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. By balancing the pH in your mouth, baking soda creates a less hospitable environment for these bacteria, supporting healthier gums and fresher breath. Scientific studies back up these claims. For example, research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda were significantly more effective at removing plaque and whitening teeth than those without it. Another study showed that baking soda can help reduce the number of harmful bacteria in the mouth, further supporting oral health. However, moderation is key. Because baking soda is abrasive, using it too often or brushing too hard can wear down tooth enamel over time. Dentists recommend using it just a few times a week and always with a soft bristled brush. With the right approach, baking soda can be a simple, affordable way to achieve a cleaner, brighter, and healthier smile right at home. Next, helps alleviate heartburn. Heartburn is a familiar and often uncomfortable sensation that many people experience, especially after enjoying a rich or spicy meal. It typically begins as a burning feeling in the upper stomach and can rise up into the throat, caused by stomach acid moving back into the esophagus, a condition known as acid reflux. Other factors such as certain medical disorders like achalasia or eosinophilic esophagitis, as well as weight gain or pregnancy, can also make heartburn more likely. While there are many commercial antacids available, a simple and effective remedy can be found right in your kitchen. Mixing a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sipping it slowly is a time-tested way to quickly ease heartburn. The science behind this is straightforward. Baking soda is alkaline, so it works to neutralize the excess stomach acid that causes that burning sensation. This reaction provides almost immediate relief, making it a popular home remedy for generations. In fact, the medical community recognizes sodium bicarbonate as a fast-acting antacid. A review published in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology highlights its effectiveness in providing rapid relief from occasional heartburn. The process is simple and accessible. No need for a trip to the pharmacy or expensive treatments. Just a teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and a few minutes are all it takes to feel better. This easy solution is one reason why baking soda remains a staple in so many households. For those looking for quick, reliable relief from heartburn, this humble kitchen ingredient can make a noticeable difference, helping you get back to your day with comfort and ease. Next, antifungal properties. Fungal infections are a common nuisance, often showing up as itchy, red, or flaky patches on the skin. Especially in warm and damp areas like the feet, athlete's foot, ringworm, and other similar conditions are caused by fungi that thrive in moist environments. While there are many over-the-counter creams and sprays available, a simple and natural remedy can be found in your kitchen: baking soda. What makes this household staple so effective against fungi is its ability to disrupt the environment that these organisms need to grow. When applied to the skin, baking soda creates an alkaline setting that weakens the cell walls of fungi, making it harder for them to survive and multiply. This isn't just a home remedy passed down through generations. There's scientific evidence to back it up. A study published in the journal Mycopathologia found that a solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter was able to inhibit the growth of 80% of the fungal strains tested. This impressive result highlights baking soda's potential as a natural antifungal agent. Using it is simple. A paste made from baking soda and water can be applied directly to affected areas, or you can add it to a foot bath to help soothe and treat athlete's foot. Many people find relief from itching and discomfort after just a few treatments. Plus, because it's gentle and non-toxic, it's a great option for those looking to avoid harsh chemicals. For anyone dealing with stubborn fungal infections, this affordable and accessible remedy offers a promising alternative, helping restore comfort and confidence to your daily life. Next, may relieve urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are a common and often painful problem, especially for women. The burning sensation during urination, frequent urges to go, and general discomfort can make daily life challenging. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people look for natural ways to ease symptoms and support recovery. One such remedy that's gained attention is baking soda. The idea behind using baking soda for UTIs is rooted in its ability to neutralize acids. When mixed with water and consumed in small amounts, baking soda can help make urine less acidic. This shift in pH may create an environment that is less hospitable for the bacteria responsible for UTIs, potentially slowing their growth and making it easier for the body to fight off the infection. Additionally, less acidic urine can reduce the burning sensation that makes UTIs so uncomfortable. Scientific research offers some support for this approach. In a study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology, 33 women with recurrent UTIs were given sodium bicarbonate as part of their treatment. After 4 weeks, many participants reported significant improvement in their symptoms, including less pain and discomfort during urination. While these results are promising, it's important to note that baking soda should not replace medical treatment for UTIs, especially in severe cases. For those seeking extra relief alongside prescribed therapies, baking soda may offer a gentle, affordable way to ease discomfort, Always remember, though, that persistent or severe UTI symptoms require prompt attention from a healthcare professional. Used wisely, baking soda can be a helpful addition to your toolkit for managing urinary health and comfort. While baking soda offers a range of impressive health benefits, it's important to recognize that it isn't suitable for everyone. Certain groups should exercise extra caution, especially when considering doses, whether for internal or external purposes. Individuals with kidney issues, for example, need to be particularly careful. Because baking soda contains sodium, those with compromised kidney function may struggle to eliminate excess sodium from their bodies, which can lead to fluid retention and other complications. People with high blood pressure should also be mindful. The sodium content in baking soda can contribute to elevated blood pressure levels, making it risky for those already managing hypertension. Similarly, individuals with gastrointestinal disorders such as gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should consult a healthcare professional before using baking soda, as it can alter stomach acidity and potentially worsen these conditions. Pregnant or nursing women are another group who should approach baking soda with caution. Excessive intake can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance, which may have implications for both mother and baby. Additionally, people with known allergies or sensitivities might experience skin irritation or digestive discomfort when using baking soda, so it's wise to test a small amount first. Finally, those with respiratory issues should avoid inhaling baking soda powder, as it can irritate the airways and exacerbate breathing problems. In all cases, moderation and proper guidance are key. If you fall into any of these categories or have underlying health concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making baking soda a regular part of your health routine. As you can see, baking soda is far more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can support your health in many surprising ways. From soothing sore throats to managing gout and even boosting exercise performance, its benefits are backed by both tradition and science. But remember, it's important to use baking soda wisely and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Have you ever tried baking soda for any of these remedies, or do you have your own tips to share? Drop your experiences and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might benefit too. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. To keep learning, we've handpicked 2 videos just for you. Click on one of them, and we'll see you there.